trying to figure out which unit is which. You know that this one's not working because this one is pulling heat out, and this one's now we're going to try to figure out what's going on there. Unfortunately locked up, and if it is, when I turn it on or get it started, does it sound like it's about to die? And that's when I want to get the most options out of this as possible. You know, do I need to replace the compressor? Do we need to start looking at alternatives? Anything like that. So, that compressor is officially dead.